Welcome you all back to our SS class again. Next topic we are going to learn about ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals, mainly the ferrous, Fe, that stands for, that iron deposits. Okay, and here the next topic, that is ferrous minerals. One of the most important, that is iron ore. The basic minerals and the backbone of all industrial development. And here this is also one of the question part. And here why our iron ore, it is treated as the backbone of all industrial development. And the most important thing, in India we got these two varieties of iron ore. The first one, that is magnetite, and the second hematite. Magnetite, that is the magnificent finest quality of iron. Okay, magnificent finest quality of iron ore with a very high content of iron, up to 70%. 70% of iron ore content in magnetite. And then the next one, hematite, most important industrial iron ore. In terms of quantity, this is the most important industrial iron ore. That is the iron content 50 to 60%. In India, we normally use hematite iron ore more because it is considered as an industrial iron ore. Okay. And then these are the most important iron ore belt. Major iron ore belts in India is a sure map question part. The iron ore belts are Odisha Jharkhand belt, Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt, Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagaluru, Tumkuru belt, Maharashtra, Goa belt. These are the most important iron ore belts in India. Please check the concentration of minerals in these four parts. These are the iron ore belts in India. First we can discuss about the Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha Jharkhand belt, the high grade hematite iron ore. The high grade hematite iron ore, and then one of the most important speciality of this site here, the mines of Badampahar, Singbam. Singbam, it is also famous for copper deposits, and then Vagua and Navamundi, they just mined the high grade hematite iron ore from these belts. This is one of the most important iron ore belt in India. And the second one, Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. The Bastar, already in 9th standard we learned about Bastar. The location is in Chhattisgarh, and here it lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. What the speciality of this belt, that is the very high grade hematite iron ore we got from Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. And then here the special map question, that is Bailadila mines. It comprises of 14 deposits. It's a range. Okay, the Bailadila mine is a range and it comprises of 14 deposits. And these deposits, it is mainly used for steel making purposes. And then it's exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. This is a speciality of Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. And then the third one, Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagaluru, Tumkuru belt. The location is in Karnataka. And one of the most important mine here, that is Kudremukh. Kudremukh means, in Malayalam we were using Kudira. That means the face of an horse. That is the speciality of that mine, Kudremukh. Kudremukh was one of the most largest in the world. The mine Kudremukh, one of the largest in the world. And then one speciality of Kudremukh mine, that is the ores that is transported through pipelines in the form of slurry. That is a speciality of Kudremukh mines. And then the last iron ore belts in India, Maharashtra, Goa belt. It includes the states of Goa and Ratnagiri districts of Maharashtra. But one of the thing we just want to discuss here, that is the ores are not a very high quality. That is one of the drawback of Maharashtra Goa belt. But this also exported through Mamagaon pot. And these are the most important iron ore belts in India. Next, ferrous mineral, that is manganese. Manganese, it is used, okay, manganese. This is manganese. We are not familiar after that much, but we are familiar with the products of what all, okay, uses with manganese, that we can check now. Manganese, manufacturing of steel and ferro-manganese alloy. Okay, we are using manganese for the manufacturing of steel and ferro-manganese alloy. And we use manganese in bleaching powder, insecticides and paints. Nearly 10 kg is required for 1 ton steel. Okay, and then Odisha is the largest producer state of manganese. This is the speciality of manganese. Thank you all.